Welcome everybody. This video is sponsored by me, Wrecked Rides, where I take wrecked, salvaged, and total loss cars and turn them into road-ready machines. Most people look at wrecked cars and see a junkyard trip. I see potential. At Wrecked Rides, I do what the big guys don't. I rebuild Copart and IAA auction cars on a budget. I tackle the mechanical work, the body fixes, the frame pulls, all without a shop. And would you believe it? I'm an introvert, scared to death of doing anything in front of someone or a camera. You know, it's a passion of mine to turn wrecks into rides while keeping costs low and doing it right. Let's be real. Paying dealership or body shop prices, it's a scam. It costs more than the car does. So I walk you through on how to fix it yourself. What works, what doesn't, how I went wrong, how you could go wrong, how we could do it all right. Then there's a real cost of flipping cars, and I go through that and break it down on how you can actually make money. Why do I do all this? Because I'm tired of paying high prices. Sick of cars getting totaled for minor damage. Do you want to learn to fix and flip your own cars? I'm here to experiment first. So hopefully you learn how to do it by either seeing what I shouldn't have done or what I did do. That's exactly why I started Wrecked Rides. I was already doing it. I figured I might as well video it and show other people how to do it as well. Whether you're turning a wreck into a ride on a budget, flipping for profit, or just curious if you can turn a wreck into something drivable, I got you. So subscribe for more do-it-yourself rebuilds, salvage flips, and cost-saving car repairs. So follow me on wrecktorides.com and on Facebook at Wrecked Rides. Drop a comment below. Have you ever thought about actually rebuilding a salvage car? Now back to the build.